Good afternoon and welcome to my channel, Aunty Avon. I hope you're all well. My name's Karen. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be showcasing some of the products that are in campaign 10. Right, our brochures look like this time. Now this has just started today and it runs till the end of the month, so the 30th of June. Okay, so there's plenty of time to get looking and to get ordering. Okay, the products that I'm going to show you, I've looked at the brochure, so they will be in this version of the brochure. But if you do shop online, then some of the products might vary. They might look a little bit different on the actual pages online. Okay, so the first product that I'd like to draw your attention to are these ANEW Skin Reset Plumping Shots. Now there's 7 of them. They come in a nice little box, so you use them over 7 days. They help restore 7 years worth of collagen loss in just 7 days. We also have an exclusive offer with all of these. So if we look here, we've got the platinum range. So if you've got the day and the night cream, and then you add the plumping shots, and you can get that for £28. So a real good deal there. The ultimate range, so the day, night cream and the plumping shots, is worth £26, and the Reversalist range is worth £24. So you're definitely getting a really good deal there, so it's worth considering maybe putting them all together. Next we have the new Powerstay Eyeliner, so very similar to the Glimmer Sticks where you twist for more colour. This is intense waterproof colour, comes in 6 different shades, and at the moment it's just £4, so that's a saving of £3. Next we have the 3-in-1 matte concealer, powder and foundation. I had to think then. This is very popular at the minute and it comes in various shades and is £7. So next we have this lovely little bargain, 3 for £10. So you've got a lipstick, a nail varnish and the new Powerstay eyeliner. So that might be worth getting so you can try it out. Next we'll come to our bestseller, Avon True Foundation. I've got one here. I think this is the shade Creamy Natural. It's got the pump applicator. This, like I said, is our bestseller. We have lots of different shades in this and currently it's £7. It's a flawless liquid foundation, well worth it. So as usual, Avon have got a nice variety of mascaras, so from lengthening to volume, and they range from about £5.50, so definitely something for everybody in there. If you suffer like with sparse lashes as you get a bit older like I do, then I would suggest the ANEW dual ended with serum and mascara. So that one kind of helps to build lashes, and the brush is smaller, so I find for me that's easier with you know, less lash. Also we have the Euphoric mascara, so we've still got a good deal on with that one. So if you buy one of these for £9, you get a free gift of the eyeliner and an eye crayon. So definitely worth it if you want to try that out. Why not get yourself a free little kit as well. Next we have the BB nail colour. This has a built-in primer and it comes in 6 different shades and it's just £3. Okay, onto some skincare products now. We have got these eye cream duos, fantastic. So one is the tightening. It's the ANEW Clinical Lift and Firm Eye Lift System. So I have showcased this one before. So it comes like that. So the top part is to go on the top of your eye and above your brow, and then you've got the cream to go underneath your eye to tighten that skin around there. Very, very good. So there's that one. That is £12, and then we have got the other one with the green gel, and that helps to eliminate dark circles. So that cream is £10. So you have a choice. As ever, we have the Skin So Soft Dry Oil, which is said to be good to keep away mosquitoes. A lot of people swear by it. It's fantastic, like for very dry skin. And I have here the Enhance and Glow version. So this one does exactly what it says. You can spray it on like your skin and just let it soak in, and it gives a nice sort of natural glowy look. I like to use this with the cream as well, so the body lotion, and yeah, so they are really good, very handy, especially if you don't really always want a cream. So the Skin's So Soft, the dry oil in the natural, and the Enhance and Glow, £3.50. Next we've got the Planet Spa body mists. This is another deal, 2 for £6. So we have got the Energize, the Calm, and the Pillow Mist aromatherapy, like sleep mist. So you can pick any 2 of those for £6. Here we have a perfume. This is 3 for £12, and it's the Far Away Infinity. So this is the Eau de Parfum, the body lotion, and the little purse spray. So pretty good deal there. Right, Father's Day, 21st of June, so don't forget our men out there. So we've got this little deal, 3 for £15. We've got the aftershave conditioner, the body wash, and the eau de toilette. 3 products for £15, pretty good. We've also got some grooming kits. So we've got the mini travel shaver, that's £10. The beard grooming set, £6.50. And we've got toiletry sets, so 3 for £4. And I think they've got like aftershaves, balms, 2-in-1 shampoos or body lotions or body washes, whatever. So check those out as well. If you like your hair serums, then we have got you covered. Here at the minute we've got 2 for £6. So you can pick any 2 from the, I think there's Smooth, Illuminating, Restore and Nourishing. And don't forget we've also got dry shampoos, and it's £2.99, so pretty good bargain. So here again we've got the Planet Spa, and this time it's 4 products for £14. So that would include the pillow mist, the face mask, the hand cream and the body butter. Avon also do a range of foot care products which I have showcased before, so we've got a good variety in there, so get your feet summer ready. We have some nice shower gels or shower creams depending on what you prefer. I've got this shower cream here. This is in the Senses range. This one is Happiness. This is for mood therapy, so that's a really nice one. It smells lovely. And this is a shower gel in the Zen fragrance. This is one of my favourites. Very nice. Lovely colour. And in our new Aloha range, we have this shower cream. It smells really nice, like coconutty, as you would expect from the name. And we've also got our hand washes as well. So they're pretty good, from £1. Well, I think they are £1, yeah, not from £1, £1. All very good. I think there's 5 or 6 different fragrances in that. We've also got the Bubblebaths as well. This is the 1000ml. This is £2.50. If you want the 500ml, that's £2. So very good. We've got lots of bubble baths. So as you've just seen, I've shown you the bubble bath and the shower cream in the Aloha range. So we've also got other products. We also do the scented spritz in that range. Really lovely. I like to spray these around the room, but you can spray them on yourself as well. So great. The products there range from £1.25. Okay, next we've got the BB Face Foundation. This is great. It only comes in 1 shade, but it has an SPF of 45. It also has shine control in it, and it's a great little handy size, so perfect for taking out when you don't want like lots of different foundations and powders. This is also buildable as well to give you more coverage if you need it. £6.50. So our sun creams also have an SPF of 30 or 50. They also have shine control in them and are £5 each. So in our Suncare range at the minute, we've got buy one, get one half price. You can mix and match? No, you can't. You can mix and match products across that range. They range from £5 and an SPF of 15 up to 50, so suitable for children. If you're not really a fan of the sun but you like a bit of colour, then we've also got some nice tanning products here, and we do the little tanning mitt too, so that's really good. These are also buy one get one half price, and they range from £3.50. So finally we come to the holiday pamper pack. This is 8 products for £10. As you can see, it's got a good variety in there. You've got a mix of bubble baths and hand washes, I think, hand creams maybe. Okay, so that's what's in campaign 10. I hope you are all excited to have a good look through and, you know, enjoy. We've got a good few weeks, so I shall be showcasing more products as the weeks go on. Don't forget to add me on Facebook, and I can then add you to my little Avon group. So I will showcase more products there and do some raffles and things like that. So please head over there and make sure to add me. Okay, so until next week, I hope you have a fantastic week and weekend, and I will see you on Friday. I'm Aunty Avon. Ta-ta for now.